Hi guys, this is Harish Kumar. Welcome to my channel Electrical Library. Yes. In my last video, I have explained the evolution of electrical engineering. Now, in this video, let us see what is the objective of electrical engineering. See, for each and every engineering sector will have a objective for that sector. Similarly, our electrical engineering will have one objective. Let us see what is that now. See, I have mentioned clearly in the board, objective of electrical engineering is to generate, transmit, distribute and utilize the high quality electrical energy at low cost. See here, I will mainly focus in the entire discussion of this is quality and cost. Yes, I think this point is very much clear for you. What is that? To generate, transmit, distribute and utilize the high quality electrical energy at low cost. Yes, as an electrical engineer, we should only generate the electricity or electrical energy. We should only utilize that. Because all the loads, which are motors, who manufactured the motor? Electrical engineer only manufactures the motor. Therefore, we only generate the electricity, we only utilize the electricity in the name of motors. Now see the highlighted points here. What are the highlighted points? One is quality, one is low cost. See, low cost is the another point. Yes, even though your final product is good quality, but if you maintain the price is very high, who will buy your product, man? Nobody will buy your product. Therefore, we have to generate the electricity at high quality and we need to give it to the consumer at lowest possible cost. Therefore, the lowest cost is also an important phenomena. Now let us see the most important point of this discussion is quality. What I mean by quality of electrical energy? Do you know how to measure the quality of electrical energy? How to measure the quality of a material? Yeah? There should be some measures. What are the measures of quality of electrical energy? Let me give you a clarity. First point is we need to see reliability of electricity and the second point is harmonics. Harmonics. These two are said to be quality measures. Quality measures of electricity or electrical energy. Electrical energy. Now let us see clearly what I mean by reliability. Tell me what do you mean by reliability? Reliability means maintaining continuous power supply. To whom? Continuous supply to the consumer. Supply to consumer. Yes, our consumer is paying money for the electrical energy. Therefore, you have to supply your product continuously. What is that product? Electrical energy. That is mean by reliability, which is a quality measure of electrical engineering. Yes, this is not a simple point here. To maintain continuity of electrical supply is not a simple point. Let me go in depth of that. Yes. Reliability, maintaining continuous power supply. Is it that much easy to maintain the continuity of power supply? Okay, otherwise what will happen if this point is not met by me, or what will happen if reliability is not maintained? Reliability not maintained, what will happen? In order to answer this question, let me think in the view of consumer. In the view of consumer first, and let us see in the view of industrialist. See what will happen if the reliability is not maintained for a consumer. He will feel some discomfort, that's all. He will feel some discomfort. This is a simple point. Discomfort will be there for the home users or domestic applications. Now what will happen for the industries? See, let me take an example of one industry whose revenue is 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh rupees if the industry continuously works for 24 hours. If the industry works for 24 hours. Because of some reason, as an electrical engineer, you haven't given this 24 hours continuous power supply, rather you have given only for 20 hours. 24 hours. That means 4 hours you haven't given the supply. You haven't given the supply. Let us use some mathematics here just to calculate the revenue. See, for 1 lakh rupees he will get if the machines are running continuously 24 hours. Then how much he will get if only 1 hour, if the machines are running? Then just 1 lakh divided by 24 hours. How much I will get? Let me use calc here because I am also weak in mathematics. Divide by 24. Yes, I will get approximately 4166.66 rupees. Now, what is the amount for 4 hours here? Into 4. 16,666.66 rupees. Why I have calculated this amount? Let me explain first. See, actually you supposed to give as an electrical engineer for 24 hours electrical energy to this industry. But because of some reasons, you haven't given 24 hours of electricity, you have given only 20 hours. What is the deficit of electrical energy? Minus 4 hours. If the industry would have worked for this 4 hours also, he would have get 16,666 rupees, 16,666 rupees extra money. But because of your fault, this industry is getting this much amount of loss. Who has to bear this loss? And do you think the owner of this company will just see this loss and he will stay calm? No, yeah. Definitely he will raise a complaint against the electricity board. Do you know what will happen with that complaint? As an electrical engineer or the electrical engineering company, you have to bear that loss. That means you need to pay the penalty amount. What is that? Penalty you have to pay. Now I think the reliability importance you got to know. Okay, for domestical applications you don't get any this penalty amount and all, but for the industries you will get a bigger problem. What is that? Penalty. Therefore, maintaining the reliability of electrical energy or the maintaining continuous electrical supply to the consumers is very much important. Okay.